coming down here, going there, and I can't get the street from here, but it flows on down the street. And they've got mud from where they've worked on the yard there, but there's no water except what's right there. So you can see the pipe from this window. Ooh, it's getting blurry on me.
Where is it going to be going?
There's no water running down the side of the house. Shall we shut that door? Okay. There's no water coming down by the house. It's all coming from where they don't have gutters. Now I'm going to go do the front view. Shelby, it's okay, honey. I didn't know where to focus because it's... Shelby, quit crying, honey. Okay, you can see the water coming down from the pipe area. And all the way down our yard. There it goes, down to there. Wait a minute.